are you? Thank you so much for being here and watching. I hope you are all well and safe. Today we're opening up a lingerie subscription box. This is called Empress Mimi. I've opened a few of their boxes before in the past. Can we just talk about how like freaking cute their packaging is? I love it. I'm definitely going to keep this box. So I'm going to link Empress Mimi down below. They offer several subscription plans. And like I said, it is a lingerie subscription. They also have a store you can shop from as well if you just want to get like one specific item. A lot of the items I have opened in the past I saw were available on their website. So yeah, let's get this open. I can't wait to see. This is the biggest box I have received from them. And again, so darn cute. So like I said, I'll link them down below. I'm also going to link down a giveaway I have ending at the end of the month, so just in a few days. So I open up the box. This is what I see. Can't really see much yet. Ooh, it feels nice, but there's a little card here. It says Imperial Peacock by Empress Mimi. So Empress Mimi and Imperial Peacock, why blend in when you were born to stand out? Dear Empress, this box is inspired by the flamboyant and lavish peacock, a majestic bird inspiring us to embrace our nobility and become living artworks. No other creature is quite so magnetic and outrageously decadent. We invite you to wear this set to remember that you are a woman to behold, a peacock in a flock of pigeons, and to never shy away from standing out. Your true beauty shines through when you dare to show off your true colors. Put this set on and flaunt your assets. And just like the peacock loses its feathers and regrows them every year, you too have the power to embrace change and await your magnificent rebirth. You just have to release your inner peacock energy. Always remember, dear Empress, you are as regal and majestic as the imperial peacock celebrated through the ages for its beauty and power. With love and adoration, Empress Mimi. I love that. Oh my god, about a few weeks ago, maybe a month ago, I was at my friend's place and there was a wild pack of peacocks there. It was crazy. I've never seen them. I didn't even know they're in Florida, so that was really cool to see. They're so beautiful. So I just filmed a video right before this and I saw that I had lipstick all on my teeth when I was done with that video, so hopefully I can still post that, but I just had to do a little teeth check. But let's get started. So this is a full set. Wait, there's another piece of paper. So it says loyalty gets treated like loyalty. So it talks about like their return policy. They have a great one, so you can return or exchange it for another size, and you have 14 days from when you receive it. So I think that's great. Oh man, this is so pretty. So here is like a slip dress. Look at that. It does look like a peacock. So that is the front, and then look at the back. Is that like cross design? I love this. And it feels like velvety and nice. And then at the bottom, it also has that peacock design. This is so pretty. I love this so much. This is like a beautiful slip dress. I love the colors too. It feels so comfy. So there's a slip, and then there's also, it looks like a bra and panty set too. Nice. Ooh, I like this. Hopefully this will fit my big boobs, but this is so pretty. Here, I think this is my favorite ever from them. So that's the back. Oh my god, I love this so much. It has like the little like keyhole in the middle. This is super hot for some quarantine sexy fun. Oh, I shouldn't joke about that, but for real, if you can, why not? And then here are the panties that go with it. And it looks like they can attach to the bra. Or I don't know what that is. Oh no, maybe it just goes on the side. I'm not sure, I'm gonna have to figure it out, but here are the panties. I love how well these all go together. But yeah, I've never had, I'm pretty sure this is like, do you put this over your shoulders? Like, where's the other one? I don't know, I'm gonna have to figure that out. If you guys know, let me know. Or maybe it like goes higher up your waist. Yeah, I think that's it. So you have some of that like right here. I don't know, but these are super pretty. I think I love the slip the most. I love everything. This is like, feels so nice and is cute and sexy at the same time. Like, I can't wait to wear this. So yeah, that is everything. Again, I'm gonna link them down below. I love this and can't wait to wear it. You guys have to let me know your thoughts. And yeah, thank you so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I hope you're all doing well, sending positive vibes your way into the world. I know it's a crazy time. I'm here if you ever need to talk. Leave a comment down below or DM me on any of my social media. But anyways, you guys, I love you and I will see you in my next video. Bye.